Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm making scalloped potatoes to go along with our supper. Here's how. 8 sliced potatoes, sliced thin, 3 cups of heavy cream, a cup of milk, 1 small onion, 2 teaspoons garlic, 2 teaspoons butter, bay leaf, oregano, thyme, cheddar cheese to top with, salt and pepper to taste. Alright, so today we're making scalloped potatoes and I'm going to show you a very easy way to cut your thyme in half. Make a juicy, delicious scalloped potato. We're going to start with a large pan. We're going to add our butter and our onions and we're going to wait for our garlic. We're going to just try to make our onions translucent. We don't want them brown. We don't want them burnt. We have our stove on a medium-high, and we're just trying to get our onions to look somewhat clear or translucent. And this is going to be the basis of our scalloped roux. We're going to turn this down, and as you can tell, our onions are starting to get that nice almost clear color. They're getting really nice and soft. And you want to keep stirring these because you don't want them burnt. Now we're going to add our garlic. It's only going to cook for about 30 seconds. We want the garlic and the onions to bloom. We want that fresh smell. Alright, that's good, so I'm going to turn it off. Take it off the heat for a minute. So now we need to preheat the microwave convection oven. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put it on bake, manual convection bake, select. We're going to cook this at 350. Select, open the door, and start. Alright, we'll be right back. Okay, on a medium heat, we're going to go medium. We're going to add our heavy cream and our milk. Let's get all that heavy cream out of here. Keep stirring. Add our bay leaves. We have 3 bay leaves. We have thyme and some oregano. And what I've done is I've crushed them in my fingers and dropped it in. We're going to add a pinch of salt, and we're just going to mix this in. While our milk and heavy cream are heating up, we're just going to keep stirring it. We don't want scalded milk or scalded heavy cream. So we're just doing a nice gentle rolling, we want a gentle rolling boil. We're just going to keep stirring our mixture. And then as soon as it starts bubbling a little bit, we're going to add our potatoes. This will take about 5 minutes to start getting to a bubble. Okay, we're going to add our potatoes in now. And I'm using russets. Russets are heavy in starch, and these are a better potato to use for our scalloped potatoes. And all we're going to do is mix them in. Now we want to let the potatoes cook for about 20 minutes in this milk mixture. We want to keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn or scorch on the bottom. Cover it and let it cook for 20 minutes. We are going to stir this occasionally. Alright, it's been almost 20 minutes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stir it real quick. Then I'm going to take my fork and I'm going to see if the potatoes are tender. You want your potatoes tender before you put them in your casserole dish. These need just a little more time. I would say about 3-4 minutes, and we'll be right back. Alright, I'm using an ungreased casserole dish. this is what I use for casseroles. I'm going to take and pour our potatoes out. One of the things we want to make sure is that we get our bay leaves out. I had 3 and there are 3. Alright, we're going to top with a cheddar cheese and be generous. I'm just going to spread this out a little bit with my fingers. We are ready to place this in our microwave convection oven. Let's get this going. I'm going to place it on our bottom rack on our round. And what I want to do is I want to turn the turntable off and start. Now we'll cook this for 20 minutes in the microwave convection oven. See you in a few. And this is our scalloped potatoes when they're done. Great, time to serve. Oh my gosh. Okay. If you like the videos, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe, it's free. Ring the bell for notification. Leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Alright, we'll see you next time. Bye!